Okay, so this is homework number 17. Today on our homework is going to introduce some Pythagorean theorem. So like on number 1 is exactly what we're talking about. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. That's the formula we use. So number 1 says, what is the length of the hypotenuse of the triangle below? Okay, so the hypotenuse is the longest side of the right triangle, which is this right here that I highlighted. So your two legs, the A and the B, side A and side B are 6 and 8. So you just put it in the formula, and then after that you got to find the square root of what you get when you square 6 squared plus 8 squared. Number 2, what is the lateral surface area of the triangular prism below? So remember the formula you use for lateral surface area is the P times H. So there's all the information you need. Okay, question number 3. What is the total surface area of the triangular prism that's shown below? Alright, so there's the formula we would use, pH plus 2b. So you're going to find the perimeter of your base, the area of your base, and the height of the prism. Number 4, the area of a square-shaped piece of paper is 112 square inches. What is the length of one side of this square piece of paper? Okay. Number 5, a 12-inch candle and an 18-inch candle are lit at 6 p.m. The 12-inch candle burns 0.5 inches every hour. The 18-inch candle burns 2 inches every hour. Write an inequality for when the 12-inch candle will be taller than the 18-inch candle. Number 6 is another question like what we did today. Pythagorean theorem. So it asks, what is the length of the hypotenuse of the right triangle shown below? Number 7, write an equation in slope-intercept form for the table below. Alright, number 8, what is the volume of the ice cream cone shown below? So volume, it's a cone, so my formula is V equals 1/3 area of the base times the height. Okay, so before you do that, remember you got to do area of the base, which is pi r squared. Okay, our radius is 1, not 2, because 2 is the diameter. Alright. Number 9, find the length of the hypotenuse of the triangle shown below. And number 10, what principal of money will earn a simple interest of $162 in 3 years at the rate of 12% annually?